क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इसके पहले वाला वीडियो में है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से 5 तक आप इस वीडियो में देख पाएंगे। हाय एवरीवन, आप इस देख पाएंगे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्लास 10th चैप्टर 1 रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and question number 2, write the classification of resources on 4 different bases, and resources can be classified in the following 4 ways. First one is on the basis of origin, and on the basis of origin there are 2 types of the resources: biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic means the resources which have life, and abiotic means don't have life, and you will have to also know about the differences between biotic and abiotic resources. Question number 3rd, and question number 3rd you will have to know that on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of the renewability, there are the 2 types of the resources: renewable resources, the resources which can be renewed known as the renewable resources, and the resources which cannot be renewed within the short period of the time is known as the non-renewable resources. And you will have to also know about the differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. Now next question, on the basis of ownership, there are 4 types of the resources: individual resources, community resources, national resources, and international resources. Individual resources means the resources which are controlled and maintained by an individual and single person. For example, private individual house, building, etc. are the example of the individual resources. Community resources means the resources which are controlled, maintained, and used by a group of and member and the all member of the society known as the community resources. For example, public park, picnic place, public picnic place, temple, road, these all are the example of the community resources. National resources means the resources which belongs to the nation known as the national resources, and in the ocean up to 12 nautical mile, these all are the part of the national resources. And international resources means the resources which are controlled and maintained by the international organization known as the international resources, and beyond 200 nautical mile, these all are the resources, the example of the international resources. And you will have to also know about the differences between national and the international resources. On the basis of a status of development, there are 4 types of the resources: potential resources, developed resources, reserve resources, and stock resources. Then first of all, we will have to know about the potential resources. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized due to the lack of the capital, technology, or other resources. For example, western part of India, particularly Rajasthan and Gujarat, have the enormous potential for the development of wind and the solar energy, but so far these have not been developed properly. And next, developed resources. There are resources which have been surveyed and there the quality and the quantity have been determined for utilization. The development of resources depend on technology and level to their the feasibility. For example, India has a cumulative total of 2,47,847 million tons of the coal resources. Next one is the stock resources. These are the material in the environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs but could not be used as the human beings do not have the appropriate technology to convert them into the usable form. For example, water is a compound of 2 inflammable gases, that is hydrogen and oxygen, but human beings don't have the required technology to use them as resources. Now, reserves resources. These are the subset of the stock which can be put into use with the existing technology, but their uses have been postponed, keeping in mind the needs of the future generation. For example, India has sufficient amount of the forest to fulfill the needs of the present generation, but they are being protected for the future generation. आपको ये भी याद रखना है डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन स्टॉक एंड द रिजर्व रिसोर्सेज. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. लाइक करें, शेयर करें. जय हिंद, जय